Like this video and subscribe right now, or this spider will crawl on you while you're sleeping. A very squishy arm is dumped into a silkscreen pattern to make this bowl come to life with a pattern of its own. These 5 perpendicular blades make digging up this farmland oh so satisfying and oh so easy. This machine makes this Neapolitan ice cream package perfectly every single time. This laser is able to perfectly engrave this emblem into this wallet. This triangular template moves vertically to make grooves into this metal for things like fences. This concrete mold is used in conjunction with soft-serve ice cream. Sticks are then inserted into the ice cream, and then the ice cream is chocolate dipped for everybody to enjoy. These oscillating poles work together with these rotating arms to wrap up these hay bales perfect every single time. This farm equipment uses 5 very powerful brushes, very similar to what you would see in a car wash, to gather up all the grains in this field. The rapidly rotating wire brush on this street cleaner makes cleaning up these weeds on the side of the street effortless. This machine is pressed against very thin pieces of metal to form perfect metal brackets for construction. This vertical table saw blade effortlessly cuts these ice cubes perfectly every single time. This machine with 2 arms cuts noodles a perfect size every single time and then shoots them into boiling water for cooking. This machine precisely cuts wooden planks and then glues them back together to add some more fortification and stability. This machine rapidly spins this saucepan, and then another one forms the perfectly concise rings at the bottom. This truck has an attachment that makes moving these construction markers very, very easy. This mechanical machine turns a perfectly good car into a nice compact package for storage and scrap. This chain link fence is created in seconds by 2 pieces of a machine that move the same way but in opposite directions. This machine has a hedge trimmer built into the end of this arm rather than having to send somebody up there to manually trim the trees. This comforter is tightly spooled so that way it can easily be packaged and shipped to where it needs to go. This machine shaves metal pieces off of the side of this block to create a perfect metal enclosure. These 5 mechanical parts work together to build this chain link. Ever wonder how fish in a can for consumption is made? Look no further than right here. These parts of this machine rotate together to create the exact same type of threading for screws. The small cylinder on this machine spins so fast that it effortlessly cuts through wood. This machine has a bunch of different metal attachments to choose from that make all different types of metal brackets. This machine and assembly line are able to fill up dozens upon dozens of cans of soda effortlessly for consumers. This machine has an arm that grabs this coconut, and another part of the machine is able to peel it in less than 5 seconds. This person made an at-home DIY can crusher machine. This machine takes circular pipes and then transforms them into pipes with a square shape for obvious reasons. This machine takes multiple metal rods and transforms them into drill bits. The 6 arms of this machine work completely different tacks to make a perfectly coiled impact spring. This machine has clamps that make trees pull out exactly like weeds. This machine arm rotates circularly to make this elbow-shaped pasta cut. This machine is the opposite of a power washer. It can drain anything in a matter of seconds. This power washer has an adjustable arm that can remove all this brown sludge from this pipe. This machine has heads that come down to make these flat metal bars have some life. Perfectly swirled ice cream every time. This pressure washer has a nozzle attachment that makes the spread very, very wide for cleaning. This machine shows you how gloves with grips are made. This machine has an arm specifically made for tree cleaning. As you can see, it cleans this tree in a matter of minutes. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we will see you guys in the next video.